In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit accessibility and convenience. Then tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions to use it. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!